I will talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you to disable this sign. All you have to do, you just go down here. So you click in this sign down here and you just click on it. Then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you go above this sign, click on it here. You just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you come here to AI since proactive here messages. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here AI since proactive messages disable with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.